It feels good to be back, my loves. How are you all doing? I wanted to share with you all this draw with me video. This first sketch was my warm-up sketch, and it's crazy how different my style comes out when I just practice, warm up a little bit, and just take my time. I feel like my style varies depending on the mood I'm feeling, but yeah, I'm sure a lot of you have noticed that with my art. Like, you notice that I have a distinct art style and you can kind of spot my art style, but I know that sometimes, like, maybe I'll like to draw more realistically, or sometimes I'll like to draw more cartoony like, or in the middle, semi-realistic. So I have my days with whatever I'm feeling, or depending on the reference I'm using. But before I yammer away, because I just feel like once I get to talking, I just can keep going and not stop. I'm happy to be doing this video because not only do I miss you all, but I am super excited because I recently decided to start a new challenge called the Just Post It Challenge. And Holy Spirit gave me this idea. Like, I felt like God really put it in my heart to create a challenge personally for myself to encourage me to post whatever I have been drawing, or whatever I have, regardless of if it's a finished piece, if it's just a sketch, if it's something I think is messy, or something that I've already posted before. Just post it. I feel as though as artists, we all have the tendency to be perfectionist and overthink a lot, and I really wanted to break out of this cycle of thinking that I needed to have the perfect piece of content in order to post something. And I know that you all probably have seen my last video that I posted on my channel, well, the previous first video that I posted in a long time, which was my drawing video, my draw with me video. I'll put it up here. But I was talking something similar about just how I felt as though I didn't want to post that piece of content because I felt as though it wasn't up to my standard, the lighting wasn't all that. But I was actually able to inspire others just because I did something that necessarily wasn't up to my standards. I relied on the talents and the gift that God has given me, and trusted in Him with whatever content that I have is good enough. And I say that to inspire and encourage you that maybe the content that you make right now is not up to your liking, or maybe you don't have your art space together like you'd want to, or maybe you're still working on perfecting your art skills. But don't let that discourage you or stop you from posting what you have, because it's all a part of the journey. It's all a part of the process, and people want to see that. I feel as though this day and age, we're craving more real, raw authenticity more than ever now. We're tired of perfection because honestly, it's exhausting trying to be perfect. It's exhausting trying to have the perfect piece of content, trying to have everything perfect, quote unquote. And so I felt in my spirit that, like, let me challenge myself to not worry about, if I posted this picture before, maybe they're gonna notice. Like, no, there's actually so many people out there who probably haven't even seen what you posted like a year ago or even yesterday. Like, don't worry about it. Post it again. If maybe you're having a day where you just don't feel like drawing, you don't feel like making new content, post something that you created before. It's okay. There's people out there who haven't even seen that yet. So I've really been like learning this over time. And especially as I've been trying to break out of this whole overthinking mindset and just realizing that this is what's going to take me to the next level, is not overthinking and not trying to make everything perfect so that I can just continue to share the growth. Because if you think about it, like, yeah, you may have some content, you may not like it that much, but you post it and you keep posting, you keep doing it consistently. And eventually it'll get to the way that you like it. Eventually you'll start to find your groove and start editing it in a way that you like it, or you'll start to get better with your art skills, and then you get to bring others along the journey with you and be a blessing. Because honestly, like, seeing the journey of somebody go from 0 to 100 is more inspiring than just seeing somebody just pop out and have everything perfect. You know what I mean? Because we're all human and we all have flaws, and it's healthy to see that, and to see that, you know, we all have our mistakes and make mistakes and have our flaws, and it just helps us all to feel more together, And so I just wanted to try and practice this more. Like, hey, like, maybe I have some footage on my phone, and maybe I had this whole idea for it, and I wanted it to be very elaborate, and I wanted to have different angles and lighting, but maybe I don't have that content right now. Maybe I just have the simple content of me drawing in my bed. And you know what? That's enough. Let me take that content, do a voiceover, say something encouraging, inspiring, think about how I can help others, because honestly, we're here to inspire and encourage other people with whatever talent or ability that God has given us to do. And I know that that's one of the reasons why we're here, and why God has given us the talents that he's given us, to inspire others to use the talents God has given them as well. So, just don't be afraid to be yourself, because honestly, that's what we need more than ever now. We need more people being their raw, authentic self, because who knows who you will inspire, what impact you will make. Like, you don't know the impact you will make until you just do it, just post it. So that's kind of why I wanted to make this challenge, just to kind of inspire others. Like, originally I did this just for myself as a personal project, just to inspire grace through creativity, and to challenge myself to not worry about like, oh, I need to have the perfect piece of content in order to post today. No, like, okay, maybe I don't feel like posting something new. Maybe I don't feel like filming today, but I do have content from before. Let me repurpose it. Maybe let's do a different voiceover this time, or maybe let's, you know what I'm saying? Like, just do whatever you can to the best of your ability. The main thing is showing up. The fact that you're showing up is enough, and over time you'll get better. Over time you will improve. So let that be your practice. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, the perfection, just trust in God that he will continue to make it better over time as you continue to trust in him with the talents that he's given you to share with the world, to share with others. So yeah, I really am glad that I was able to, start this challenge, especially before the YouTube video of this month, because my goal is to post at least one YouTube video a month, because it was going to be way better than, I think, was it last year? I only posted like 2 videos. So my goal would to be for me to post at least one YouTube video a month. And I think that's very doable for me. So yeah, you guys, I just really hope that I can inspire and encourage you all, because honestly, when I see your comments saying that I've inspired you or helped you in some kind of way, I am like mission complete. So I am just so truly thankful for you guys. Thank you guys for supporting me and being so amazing. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. And thank you just for being a part of the Raw Sushi family, the Christina Lorre family, because you guys really, have made a difference for me in my life. And I'm just truly thankful to God for you guys. You guys are truly a godsend and a blessing. Thank you for your positivity. Thank you for showing up here, commenting, sharing this video, subscribing if you're new. Thank you so much to all of you guys who have been along for the ride and for the journey, for supporting my small business. I know a lot of you guys know there's a lot going on with the tariff situation and everything with, what's going on for small businesses. So, I've been going through like my ups and downs, but I've been trusting in God through the process of it all. And he has truly made a way where it doesn't seem to be a way. So just know, like, God is a way maker. He's a miracle worker. He's promise keeper. He is a light in the darkness. Our God, that is who he is. So that's who I put my faith in. And he has gotten me this far. And if he's gotten me this far, I know he can get you far as well. So just continue to trust in the Lord, continue to put him first, and continue to use those amazing and beautiful talents that he's given you, and share. Just post it. And literally, like, if you join this challenge, like whether or not you join this challenge, I hope that you continue to create. And if you want to join this challenge, just post whatever content you feel that you have or want to share, and don't overthink it, and use hashtag just post a challenge. And I cannot wait to see where this challenge takes us. And don't be discouraged. You don't have to post every day, just whenever you're feeling it, and just, let it be something to inspire you and to encourage you along the way in this journey that we call life. And continue to stay positive. Keep your mind focused on God, focus on the creativity, and, tuning out the noise every now and then, taking your mental breaks when you need it, because it is so needed in this day and age. So yeah, you guys, I hope that this video was able to help you and inspire you in some kind of way. And let me know, what are you guys wanting to see more videos of? Do you guys like these draw with me videos? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys would like to see more of on this channel. And just thank you for being a supporter of mine. You guys have no idea how truly grateful I am for you. And yeah, thank you guys so much for just being a part of the family. I love you guys, and I will see you all on my next video. I cannot wait. So yeah, y'all, peace, love, and God bless, my loves.